Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to link any section of your post, your page to another page, for example. So in this video I will show you anything about that. You can even add it to a page, to an image, to a text, or whatever it is. So now let's start with it. So first of all, please make sure that you have opened the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. From there, this page will be opened for you. Unless you're not connected, you will have to put your username and email and here the password. I've made a lot of videos about how to create your first WordPress account, how to install this dashboard, how I explained like all of these sections in here, so make sure to watch it if you're not familiar with it. If you are ready to watch this video, then you are good to go, and stick around until the end and follow my steps one by one until you are at the end, so you don't make any mistakes. So now let's go to a post and let's create a new post. Here we can create food posts and let's search for food articles. So let's copy this and let's paste it in our website. So here, and let's paste it. So as you can see now, this is a link. There is nothing linked in here. So how you can actually link something, you can, for example, select this and click on here, and let's make it take us to youtube.com. Click on here, apply, and it is now connected. You can do the same thing for images or media. So the media, actually not only images, so there is document, there is audio file, there is video files, there is images, and there is even much more. So now what you have to do is click on link, and for example we can here click on www.google.com, click on enter, apply, and now let's go to publish, and then let's click on view. Not Elementor, wait guys, let's keep it that way, okay, no problem with it. So if we click on health, okay, let's wait, go back and click in here. Alright, so now if we went to health and clicked on it, it will take us to YouTube, and the same thing for this image, it will take us to Google. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.